Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites, Python 3, 8 or newer, and a package manager. Create an isolated environment so packages won't conflict. Use conda create njl python equals 3, 9 or python mvenvenv. Once the environment is active, install Jupyter Lab with pip install Jupyter Lab or conda install c conda forge Jupyter Lab. This gives you the server and UI. Finally, activate the environment and prepare to launch the server. Do that now to move into the next phase. Once done installing, start Jupyter Lab with Jupyter Lab or Jupyter Lab port equals 8888 no browser if you want remote access. Make sure to install kernels. Pip install ipykernel. Python m ipykernel install user to register your Python kernel, and similarly add R or Julia kernels if needed. If you run on a server, secure access with the generated token or set a password, or use SSH tunneling vs exposing ports. Also consider installing useful extensions for file tree and Git integration to streamline work. Now open the provided URL in your browser and you'll be in the lab interface. Navigate files, create notebooks, terminals, or text files. Save frequently using checkpoints and export critical notebooks before heavy changes. Shut down unused kernels to free memory. If something fails, check the terminal logs where you launched Jupyter Lab and restart with debug for verbose output. If you can't connect, confirm the port, firewall rules, and token or password. Restart the server and verify the environment is activated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.